Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys video I want to show you something. I want to show you my dog, our dog guys. Look, this is our dog, and here I want to give it food guys. Show it. This dog here. It's our dog guys. It's called Dippy. Can you see how come it is? Yes, now I want to give it food from yesterday night. So this food here we mix it with milk and ugali. Now this is half plate like that way, and oh. So guys, as you can see, this is our dog. It's look healthy, but it's not that healthy. As from my previous videos, you saw my dog, but one of my subscribers told me that the dog looked so skinny. But hey guys, as you can see guys, it's not that skinny. And one thing you have to remember is that our dog is nursing. So when it is nursing, so you know, even if it eats, it doesn't get full easily. So guys, you may think that we are underfeeding it, but we give her food guys, but it's not that special food which you might say that we give food. We don't have. And the one thing here in the village is guys, that we don't normally buy meat, so maybe it can eat meat or the bones from the meat. So here in the village we don't do that. We only eat ugali and some vegetables. So sometimes we give it ugali and the milk, and sometimes we give it ugali and the soup of the vegetables. So that's why maybe it doesn't have all the nutrients it needs. So that's why maybe you see that it look a little bit skinny, but hey, we feed it guys, and because it's nursing, so that's the reason why, that's the reason behind that guys. So you go, this is our dog. It's called Dippy. Yes, but it look healthy, and it's like she likes this kind of food here. Yes, you see, it has finished all of it. So, and here guys, this is our ducks and the chickens, as you can see. So as you can see, this dog here is nursing, and it has healthy puppies guys. Yes, so as you can see, the puppies feed on her too much, so the dog doesn't have enough time to feed. So guys, we want to feed the puppies with milk. Yes, so let me show you how we do it. So we want to feed the the puppies. Give me what I need, chop. So that is milk. They can now can. So this is how they feed. You can. Kisuki with your So this is milk, guys. The dog is waiting. Kiveke uchore kikene ngekora. Kaliti ta?
Haya. Karo mutu gonyo.
Kara kasini ni man.
Nagieke ni.
Nakie kanan. Eka nakie kungu.
Omura.
Ma bunkero china nakora. So guys, this is where our dog sleeps. Yes, it's a good place. As you can see there and here. And above here, this is where we store our maize when we have harvested. When we have harvested from the farm here to dry up. So yes, so this is it, and the dog is enjoying the milk. So guys, we take care of this dog, but because the puppies feed on us too much, you might think that we are underfeeding it, but we feed it. Yes guys. And here, these are our goats. Yeah. And guys, it's in early morning, so you can see the sun is setting from there guys. Yeah, so I want to go inside and start to prepare our breakfast. Yes guys, and thank you so much for watching until this far, guys. I really appreciate it so much. May God bless you abundantly, guys. So until the next video, guys, bye bye.